First, we will have to choose a die as the desired size we want the sample to be. Then we have to set the selected die in this press with the given L key. Rotating the die clockwise will make the die tight and rotating it anti-clockwise will make the die loose. After tightening the die properly, at the bottom of this rod, there is a socket made to loosen and tighten the valve of the hydraulic system, which is tightened clockwise and loosened anti-clockwise. Before pumping, the valve must be tightened. Then we will pump from the same rod to the pumping unit. After the gap of die and plate is reduced, we will place the sample in the middle of it. And then we'll tighten it with a pump. After pumping it to the top, you can see our sample got cut. After cutting our desired sample, we have to open the release valve. We have to follow same process for all the dies.